Hey, I'm Franky and this is my new cookbook, Little Hands Big Snacks, and it's available for purchase. And today we're going to be making microwave nachos. First, we grab a microwavable plate, some cheese, salsa, a cheese grater. There's this kind and this kind. Both of them work fine. And some Tostitos or nacho chips. Now you grate some cheese. Now you grab the Tostito chips and you spread them out evenly all over the plate. Depends how hungry you are. Now you grab your salsa and a spoon. I like my own salsa. It's not too spicy. You spread it out. Now you grab your cheese and sprinkle it everywhere, evenly on the top. You can add corn, black beans, green onions, leftover chicken, or jalapenos if you like heat. Have enough cheese now. Now we're going to microwave it for 30 to 45 seconds. Have a microwave cover, make sure you use it to prevent splashes. Now we check the edges to see if the cheese is melted. The sides of the plate might be hot. As you can see, it's not melted, so I'm going to add 15 seconds. It might be hot when you take it out, so be careful. Chips will be warm to the touch, and cheese will be melty and gooey.